Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? I wonder what I'm going to do today. I know. I'm going to blow up BBS 9944 loud with fireworks. Ha 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 ha. First, I need to call Dark Headhunter.
When evil Katelyn Dansby walked on the sidewalk.
I'm here.
Ready to blow up BBS 9944 loud?
Sure. And also, I got the sleeping pills, so I could add it on his drink.
Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go in BBS 9944 loud house.
When evil Katelyn Dansby and Dark Headhunter came to my house.
There. Now we're at BBS 9944 loud house. Let's go inside.
Yeah. Let's do this.
There. He is not in the kitchen. And Dark Headhunter, add the sleeping pills on his Fenterberry.
Okay. Evil Katelyn Dansby.
Now let's hide before we get caught.
Man, I cannot believe today is 4th of July. And I'm going to drink a Fenterberry. Wow, that Fenterberry drink is so powerful and perfect. And also, I'm going to the living room to watch Hilda. I'm going to.
Good. Now he has fainted and collapsed. Now let's kidnap him.
When evil Katelyn Dansby and Dark Headhunter went to evil Katelyn Dansby's house.
Wait, where am I? Oh, heck no. Not evil Katelyn Dansby and Dark Headhunter. Why the heck did you strap me to this rocket? And also, please get me off of the rocket right now.
No. Never. We will not get you off of the rocket. And also, we're going to blow you up with this firework.
Wait, no, please don't do this.
Too bad. Evil Katelyn Dansby will do it right now.
No. Someone help me.
Hey, stop right here. Evil me and Dark Headhunter. Did you try to blow up the best username PBS 9944 loud? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, we kidnapped BBS 9944 loud and tried to blow him up.
And I also put sleeping pills on his Fenterberry and kidnap him along with your evil clone.
Oh my god. Evil me. How dare you put sleeping pills on PBS 9944 loud's Fenterberry, kidnapped him, and tried to blow him up with a firework rocket along with Dark Headhunter. You should know blowing up people with fireworks can get you arrested for murder. That's it. You're grounded for a month. Get inside the house and go to your room right now. And as for you, Dark Headhunter, I'm calling your guardians about this. Go home right now. Hey PBS 9944 loud. I'm so sorry that my evil clone and Dark Headhunter did something to you. I'll let you out.
Yay. I'm free. Thank you Katelyn Dansby for rescuing me.
You're welcome PBS 9944 loud. You're free to go.
At BossBot HQ.
Dark Headhunter. How dare you put sleeping pills on PBS 9944 loud's Fenterberry, kidnapped him, and tried to blow him up with fireworks along with evil Katelyn Dansby. You should not do this stuff and get you arrested.
That's it. You're grounded for a month.
Go to your room right now.
Wow.